Alright, everybody always asks the same question over and over. I did too. By weight or by volume? What I'm seeing and the math that I'm seeing says it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. So that being said, this is a 4-pound bag of sugar, plain old sugar. And this is a peanut butter jar. This is the peanut butter jar. Put it to scale, you see the size of my hand, just a regular peanut butter jar. Alright. This 4 pounds of sugar filled that up almost level full twice. So, if you're mixing in the winter so they can store it, you want 2 to 1. 2 sugars to 1 water. That means fill this jar up or equivalent measurement twice with sugar. Pour it in your vessel, and it'll come to about right here. When it gets there, then I filled this up one single time with warm water and poured that in just now. So this is what the consistency, I did it like 3 minutes ago. This is the consistency. And see how it's settling on the bottom, you gotta shake it, and it'll go into solution after a bit. But that's 2 to 1. Now, since my jar is going to be probably too full, off camera, I'm going to put it in a bigger jug. Be right back. Alright, this is extreme overkill, but I was editing the video and I said, you know, somebody just might not have their brain with it today. So this is 1 to 1. 1 quart of sugar, 1 quart of water. That's it, the end of the story. Now, if you say that's by volume, what about weight? Stop. Again, end of the story. It matters not. But there's 2 pounds of sugar. Goes to 0. And there's 2 pounds of water. This is 1 to 1. 2 to 1 is 2 sugars, 1 water. 1 to 1. Sugar first. 2 to 1 is 2 sugars to 1 water. Okay, there you go. 1 to 1. 2 pounds. If you add them together, and they go into solution, your solution, well, it's overloaded, will be 4 pounds. Or, I don't know what volume that'd come out to be. I guess it would displace, I don't know, it doesn't matter. 1 to 1. Measure it, don't weigh it, keep it simple. So, this is 2 to 1. That means 2 sugars to 1 water. 2 sugars to 1 jar of water. So while I was pouring it just then, I was looking at the viscosity of it, and I said, that'd be interesting to see, and it was, enough so that I stopped. That is what 2 to 1 looks like. And there's what hadn't gone into solution. So there's what hadn't gone into solution, which is quite a bit actually. But I'll read into that in just a second. Hopefully I won't make it too confusing, because the purpose of this is to keep it simple. Alright, we'll call that empty. Now that's 2 to 1. I'm going to go refill this jar with water. Just to get the dribblings of sugar out of here, I'm going to put the second quart of water. Just start it right there just to get the dribblings out. I had to change the vessels. Now this is the second one, so that's going to give us a 1 to 1 equal measurement of water and sugar. Alright. Let's see what the viscosity of that looks like. All right, that was less than a minute. This is, aim it in there. This is the viscosity of 1 to 1. A marked difference. And that was just to show you the viscosity difference. Still going, right? Mm-hmm. All right. You got less sitting in the bottom, but give it about 10-15 minutes, and it'll be good to go. I used water straight out the tap. That was or as hot as it would get, more or less. But we'll give it a few minutes, and then I'll take another shot of it. All right, this is what it looks like maybe 5 minutes later. Nothing in the bottom. So this is 1 to 1. That means 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. 1 gallon of sugar, 1 gallon of water. Same thing. And if you happen to notice the movie star in the room, say, I see you. Okay, here we are about 6 hours later. And this is the 1 to 1. The equal parts of water to sugar. And I just come to my observation hive and just refilled my jar. Just sitting on top. It's got a little copper nozzle on it. They blowing up the cone. Drone cells are capped off. Alright, so there it is. That's water, sugar ratio, weight or volume. Makes no difference. There you go. That's about 5 minutes worth of mixing. Stewing it up with a quart and quart and a quarter, quart and 3/8 of total solution. But I just wanted to know. I was looking for something to do.